Alright, hi guys, thought I'd make another video to show you some more of the progress that was made this week. So first of all, this is the one that I had last week. You could open up a file. Let me go to projects, S2, and you can see it'll display all the information that's on test2 as a projects database. And I did get the query working, so it's still on test2, and I can select any of these. So I can do revisions, for example, and then select A, and then I'll just get a query of all the ones that have A for revision. Or if I wanted to, I could go to nomenclature and do cog, for example, and I'd get all the cogs. So that is where I was at last week, but I changed things up a bit this week, and I've actually got a newer version that I wanted to show you. So this one, the create and import are the same. The only thing is that I actually took out the version question from this one. Basically the plan is to just make it so that I can run any version. And then for the query on this one, you will see right now I just have a placeholder in there. What I can do is I actually have it in an assembly order, so that's the top assembly, and then you can open up any assembly within it and any assemblies that are in those assemblies as well. Right now I only have quantity and revision on this one, and I can add, all the same variables can be added back in there. I just have 2 added so far because I just got this going. I wanted to show how I was able to do that. So this is the bill of materials that can be exported in CATIA 5 and CATIA 4. I don't know about before CATIA 4, but as far as CATIA 5 and 4, I know that this is exactly what it will produce. You can choose what you want to be exported. I just chose 8. In this example, the ones that really matter are these 4, because those are what I'm currently drawing from, but you can select from a couple more there. What's important is that for type, you either get part or assembly, and then you see for the top one, you see the highest level, which is product 1, highest level assembly. And then you can see right there, any of those will be inside of assembly 1. So what I did is I made it so that whenever it hits one with assembly here, it separates that out into a new tier in this tree. So you can see, product 1.1.2 and product 1.1.2 has another assembly in there, and sure enough, when you open that up, you can go all the way down the rabbit hole. So of course, like I said, I will be able to add more in there for these, and I should be able to even, once we change to 6, as long as we have a name, a type, and a quantity, we should be able to affect the same sort of parent-child relationship. As far as we don't have the viewer yet, that's basically going to be the next big thing that we need to integrate in there. But I thought I wanted to show you guys that I think that might be at least a starting place for helping know what the parent relationships are for all of the pieces. And I don't know if we'll be able to meet today. I don't know if you are available, but I guess I'll send you an email to ask where you guys are at on that. Thanks, guys.